Hi, I'm Jeremy with XTech Tactical, and today we're announcing the expansion to our M&P 22 round extended magazine lineup. We always want to better ourselves at XTech Tactical, and we love listening to consumer feedback. And some of you guys wanted that nickel look, but you also wanted that extreme, as we call it, adverse environment conditions resistance. So nickel coating, if you're not familiar, takes blued to the next level. These are going to be a lot more durable on the coating side in maritime environments, or like Arizona, if you sweat a lot in the everyday carry. It's just that next level of coating. So these are a couple dollars more than the blued options. We'll continue to offer the blued options. Candidly, we've never had a return from the blued. It's just some people have asked, so similar we did for the AK lineup with the Mag 47 mil and Elite. We love to give you all options. So these are available both for the M&P full size, as shown here, in a 22 round setup, and also for the M&P compact or FPC. You can buy the sleeve, adapter sleeves on their own, or you can buy the magazine that already has a sleeve on it for both blued and nickel. So it's kind of any way you want it is where we're taking it. Later this year, we're also going to bring out flush fit 17 round mags, and then also a 1017 Freedom Series magazine that is adaptable when and if you move or laws change for those of you in 10 round states. So this is a lineup that we will continue to expand as we go. So quickly here, I'll just show you how to service these magazines. We're a big believer in giving you the ease of ability to field service your magazines. If you shoot competitions, we'd love to clean mags. To me, you just want to control those control factors when you go. So these feature our MTX Plus 5 extensions with the leading edge tool-free takedown. So to disassemble your magazine, all you're going to do is grab a pen or a round or something to press this button on the bottom. All our springs are 17.7 high-powered springs, custom engineered per magazine. So hold on as you take it off. So that literally is your disassembly process. To reassemble, you'll see again our patented leading edge that takes away that catch point when the follower goes from the tube to the, or fin extension to the tube. It also helps with making sure it's always perfectly aligned. If you've ever messed with aluminum extensions, you've dealt with feeding issues, and in many cases that has to do with the extension shifting and then catching on the edge of the tube. So there you go. It's that simple. Looks great in the pistol. Everything you'd want out of a 22 round extended mag. Price point on these for the full size is going to be street price right around what you pay for a 17 round magazine. So our model is kind of, we live in America, so 5 more rounds, same price. As good or better durability. So really excited to expand these guys, and frankly, it looks freaking great with the M&P metal. Kind of gives you that premium look. So yeah, really happy with these guys. We will continue to offer the blued as well. Just a few dollar price point difference between the blued and the nickel. So check them out. So in addition to the complete 22 round magazine setups we went over, we also allow you to purchase, we have single packs, multi-packs on these, the adapters for your existing 17 round magazines. These will slide right on and fit the OEM. And also if you have 17 round mags you want to extend, we do offer the complete extension kits. These are also available as 1-packs and 2-packs, giving you a great value. Again, these are going to be much more reliable and durable than anything else you can buy on the market. So these are the MTX 17+5 and the MagAdapt 1517. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and we appreciate your support.